I'm gonna start by applying the moisturizer all over my face, and I'm gonna just let it sit there for a while so it can set, and then I'm gonna start using a primer, the BabySkin, and then I'll apply that all over my face again, and I'm gonna just let it sit there for a little bit. I like my skin to be a little dewy instead of just completely matte. And now I'm just applying my foundation. I'm using RCMA. It's a cream foundation. I like this foundation because it's super full coverage, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Then I get a stippling brush, and then I just make sure I don't have any patches or any uneven parts. And then I get the same concealer brush, and then I just apply some of the same foundation on my eyebrows, just so I won't have that little white patch. And then I'll get the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and then I'll just apply this under my eyes in triangle sections, and then on my nose, and then a little bit on my forehead. And for contour now, I like using foundation. You can use concealer, like a dark concealer or cream, just because I think it blends better. And then I like applying it with a brush. So I draw like lines on my cheeks, on my forehead, on my nose. And then to blend it, I just like going upwards and then just circular motions. And I just pretty much just do the same step over and over. And on my forehead, I just like going up. I mean, it'll look streaky at first, but then I'll just get my stippling brush and I'll just blend it with the leftover foundation that I have left. And then it just blends really well. That's why I like doing foundation with foundation, and instead of doing foundation and contour with powder. Not sure why I didn't record this, but I just applied my whole face with a translucent powder, and then I just applied Hoola bronzer all over the areas I contour. And then my favorite part is applying my highlighter. The highlighter I'm using here is called Galaxy. I think it's AO2, the brand. I got it from MISSASHOP, but it's super affordable. I think it's like $2 to $3, and it's my favorite. And then the last thing I like doing is applying translucent powder under my bronzer, just so it can look a little bit cleaner. And then I'll add a little bit more bronzer, and then I'll just dust the translucent powder right away. I won't let it sit there just because I still want that dewy look.